Look at it. It's so good. I don't know if it's anyway. I want to try to get gummies. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is so much fun. I wonder what I get too. I wish I didn't even see. I'm stupid. Okay. What's next? Oh, let's head on to the next stage. Okay, look at this. It's so much fun. I want to be anyway, but I want to get through for this. I want to get in trouble. It was so fun. I think we're going to get through. Let's have the next stage when else don't have time. And this is popping. I want this girl. I want it anyway. This thing is nice. This is good. Actually, I want more friends. You can help. I want to guys see the material. Maybe I want to get those. What cases of this? I want to give you somewhere. I want to give music. But I wish I would get money too. Okay, that's something that's good. Okay? Okay, that's good, but I want to get me more YouTube. I want to get, I said something biscuit. Interesting. There is my wasn't. You want to get my sword deck. But I want to get my show YouTube. Anyway. I can't do this with one. Okay, pick my pictures.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to miss you. Years. And something is good. Let's see. Oh no, man. This is so much fun. I want to give you some. This is a big one. I don't know. Cutty. Oh no, I missed. No, I have something that's bigger. Maybe you're not going to miss any more comments. I want to get rid of this. So I want to get rid of this good as anywhere. I mean, I was want to go around that. Oh, no, give me this piece. Oh, I do wrong. Oh no, I think I got the wrong piece for eating. I forgot for that. Oh no, I got it. Possible? I was wrong. Oh no! Ew. I just need anyway. Oh! I want to cut this. Oh no, I got a big piece, so that means I gotta go wrong. Oh no, I just. Okay, I was right. I was cut by one round anyway. Did I get a big piece? I think I did. Oh, no, no, no. Like a small. Is that how long? Okay. That's doing me in trouble. Wait, what? That was wrong. Oh, I didn't eat the stick. Okay. I see. I'm gonna eat the stick for. I'm not gonna be about. So you have to eat the stick. Maybe. I think it was crab form. I want it. Oh my god. You put a big piece. Oh no. No, I want to give it to you. Oh! Oh yeah, this is healthy. It's good. This is healthy. Let's get healthy. Oh no, I gotta miss the big one. Just go to like a big piece. And let me give you a big piece. Big piece for one. My one is healthy for it. I don't want to miss me myself. Let me get it. Oh, goes better. Okay, good. I want a big piece. I want to know it's gonna be a big piece. Another guy. Let's give it crosswords. Oh, it's tiny watermelon. I think. I know it. No! That's not like a whole thing. Oh no, it's nothing. I don't want a piece of cake. Oh no, there's nothing. I'll give you a little bit of popsicle. Here's unhealthy. I'll give a piece because it's unhealthy. I don't want to be used to it anyway. Can I really get a cake again or something? A whole thing about. I give it away. That's a piece. I'm gonna give me first. I want to get. I'm gonna give us gift. Let's give you another one. Watermelon again! I used to get wrong. Put a piece wrong. I said. Okay. Let's see. It's kind of big. Oh no, it's stuck. Oh no, it's not real. Okay.